The ever feeling of triumph from the moment I step into the highest point of a mountain, no matter how extreme and treacherous the journey, will always make me want to come back and keep on going. I entered college and I chose a degree of my passion. Luckily, I excelled with diligence and luck. I was a nerd, being happy and satisfied with my daily life of work and studies. The universe filled me with such blessings that I was able to finish my studies with flying colors. A new chapter was unveiled as I entered the world of real industry. I was pressured yet very happy of what I'm currently doing. I love my job then. You know that feeling of being able to deliver the task given to me and giving smiles from my colleagues which fulfilled not only my pocket but also my soul. However, destiny is playful and a college friend invited me into an activity that I didn't even think of doing and that could have changed my life. I weighed 56 kilos and physically unfit and I indulged into my first ever trek. It was a day hike to the second highest mountain in Cebu, which is entirely alien to me. I have no idea about the tips and tricks, but I am sure that it would be extreme. That expectation did not fail me because the journey was tough. Imagine trekking to Mount Capayas for the first time with someone that does not have any workouts done except for a few jogs. I thought of quitting, but I have left no choice but to continue. As we were approaching the Kiss the Wall summit, I was skeptical because I don't know what will happen. Luckily, our backpacks were left behind the campsite, which made our climb easier. The sun was so high, thus the temperature was unacceptable. My hands and legs were trembling and my shirt soaked with sweat. However, from the moment the summit has laid eyes on me, all my complaints and the feel exhaustion was completely wiped away. The limitless view of the cascading mountains enriched my four eyes with such pleasure. The structure of the beautiful rocks of the Torre and the breathtaking view of the surrounding mountains was enough to leave me in awe. By then, I knew my life was about to change. As the year passed by, I became addicted to adrenaline, enduring the body pains and fiery heat of the sun just to attain the satisfaction I was longing for. I became as jubilant as a kid playing on its playground. My body became healthier and weighed 62. I could not stay in a place where I just sit down. I became an extrovert and I became the happiest four-eyed alive. Well, in my world, of course. In the mountains, I feel so free and energetic. The nature embracing my soul and my body were capturing moments that I had to catch up from my childhood. It tested my courage, endurance, will and faith, as well as my patience, humor, and temper. The interpersonal side of me started to feel what it meant. I felt the warmth of friendship, sharing the same agony and sharing the same triumph. I am very thankful that I got to explore the mountains. It indeed changed my entire life, and I completely have no regrets. Sooner, I want to see myself as someone that encourages people like the before me to the new me. There's so much to explore on the outside. Why stay on the inside? Go out, set forth in an exciting adventure of life. Happy travels. How about you? What is the event or activity that has changed your life? Comment down below and I would love to hear that. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and see you in the next video.